Everybody's looking for a quick and delicious breakfast, right? Well, look no further. Let's dive right into breakfast. Start your day with scrambled eggs with spinach and a fresh tomato juice. Here's how. Sauté a handful of spinach in olive oil. Then, scramble 2 eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper. For the juice, blend 2 tomatoes with a splash of water. Simple and nutritious. Easy, tasty, and perfect for a healthy breakfast. Happy cooking. Now let's focus on some more fantastic lunch ideas to keep you energized throughout the day. First up, we have a quinoa salad with chickpeas and avocado. Cook half a cup of quinoa according to the package instructions. In a large bowl, toss the cooked quinoa with a can of rinsed chickpeas, a diced avocado, and a handful of cherry tomatoes. Drizzle with olive oil and a squeeze of lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper to taste. This salad is not only filling but also packed with nutrients. Next, let's whip up a quick and easy tuna salad wrap. Mix a can of drained tuna with a tablespoon of Greek yogurt, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Add in some diced celery and red onion for crunch. Scoop the mixture onto a whole wheat tortilla, add some fresh spinach leaves and wrap it up. Perfect for a light protein-packed meal. Finally, for a warm and comforting option, try our lentil soup. In a pot, sauté a diced carrot, celery stalk and onion in olive oil. Add a cup of rinsed lentils, a can of diced tomatoes and 4 cups of vegetable broth. Season with cumin, paprika and a bay leaf. Let it simmer for about 30 minutes until the lentils are tender. This hearty soup is perfect for a cozy lunch. There you have it. 3 delicious and healthy lunch recipes to keep you satisfied and nourished. Enjoy your meal prep and see you in the next video. Now that we've covered some amazing lunch ideas, let's dive into 3 healthy and delicious dinner recipes to end your day on a high note. First on the menu is a baked salmon with asparagus. Put your air fryer on 200 Celsius. Place a salmon fillet in the air fryer. Arrange a bunch of trimmed asparagus around the salmon. Drizzle everything with olive oil and season with salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of garlic powder. Bake for 20 minutes until the salmon is cooked through and the asparagus is tender. This dish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and makes for a light, nutritious dinner. Next, we have a veggie stir-fry with tofu. Heat a tablespoon of sesame oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add a block of cubed tofu and cook until golden brown. Remove the tofu and set aside. In the same skillet, add a mix of your favorite vegetables, like bell peppers, broccoli and snap peas. Stir-fry for about 5 minutes until the veggies are tender crisp. Return the tofu to the skillet and add a simple sauce made from soy sauce or Henderson relish. Add a splash of rice vinegar and a teaspoon of honey. Toss everything together until well coated. Serve over a bed of brown rice or quinoa for a satisfying plant-based meal. Finally, let's prepare a comforting sweet potato and black bean chili. In a large pot, heat a tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add a diced onion, a chopped bell pepper, and 2 minced garlic cloves. Sauté until the vegetables are softened. Add 2 diced sweet potatoes, a can of black beans, drained and rinsed, a can of diced tomatoes, and 2 cups of vegetable broth. Season with chili powder, cumin, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Let it simmer for about 25-30 minutes until the sweet potatoes are tender. This hearty chili is perfect for a cozy evening and is packed with fibre and protein. There you have it, 3 delightful dinner recipes that are both healthy and delicious. Enjoy your meal prep and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing recipes.